In a time of great loss, an Israelite family is shattered by grief, with death and despair looming. The promise of hope seems a distant memory. In the midst of despair, a singular act of loyalty shines forth. Ruth, though a foreigner, chooses to bind her fate to Naomi's, embracing the uncertainty of a new land with steadfast love. Stepping into a land of ancient promise, Ruth and Naomi face a future both hopeful and uncertain. In Bethlehem, where memories of loss still linger, the seeds of a new destiny are sown. As Ruth labors among the fields, destiny weaves its silent threads. Unbeknownst to her, the eyes of a kind and noble man, Boaz, watch over her, setting the stage for a transformative encounter that will change both their lives. In the quiet of the night, beneath the watchful stars, a love both unexpected and profound begins to bloom. Amidst the tension of what seems impossible, Boaz's kindness and Ruth's unwavering devotion set the stage for a new beginning, one that holds the promise of restoration. From the depths of loss and solitude, a beautiful restoration emerges. Through the faithfulness of one woman and the grace of a noble man, a legacy is born. A promise that will echo through generations, culminating in the royal line of David. The Book of Ruth is a timeless tale of passion, loyalty, and the miraculous power of redemption. In the face of overwhelming loss, one woman's faith transforms despair into hope, and a forgotten lineage into a legacy destined for greatness.